Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm going to share with you guys how to make this easy vanilla pound cake. And just so you know, this pound cake is different from the regular fluffy and soft vanilla cake. So if you're really interested to watch this video, please sit back, relax, and enjoy this video to the end. For those wondering what's the difference between pound cake and the regular vanilla cake, now these two cakes, they share the same ingredients and recipe, but the measurement is slightly different. You get, the measurement is slightly different. Now for pound cake is dense, it's not soft, it's not fluffy, and there's this particular fine crumbs it had no it has sorry yes, it has this fine crumbs that I like. You get, so the pound cake is dense. You get, and while the vanilla cake, it's light, it's fluffy, it's soft, right? And you could tell the batter, the normal regular batter for vanilla cake, is always light and soft. Unlike this one, now this batter you guys are watching right now for pound cake, you can see the batter is thick, right? It's thick, it's not light enough, and that's why the end result of this cake, it's not fluffy at all. Pound cake is not fluffy. You get, the texture for the end result, texture for pound cake is different from the end result for vanilla cake. You get, so the vanilla cake result is, that's the regular vanilla cake is always soft, fluffy, but for pound cake is dense. So I think towards the end of this video, you're gonna see the texture of what I'm talking about, so as for you people to understand very well. So this is the end result. You can see the texture of this cake, and something happened here. While I was trying to take off the cake from the loaf pan, and before I forget, make sure you guys need to understand that pound cake is mostly baked with loaf pan. You get, so I think there's one other type of pan again. If I should get the picture, I'm going to post the picture towards the end of this video. Okay, so you can see my cake here is breaking kind of, because while I was trying to take it from the pan, it got broken, if that English makes sense, right? So just like what you're watching here right now. So in case you're doing yours, make sure you floor your pan properly so that it will not get broken while taking the cake out from the pan. Also, try as much as possible to use parchment paper. Okay, so now that's the texture of the cake. Can you see? It's not fluffy, it has its fine crumbs, and it's a dense cake anyway. So I hope you guys get or got value from what I just said here in this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed watching it. Drop your comment and let me know your thoughts of what you think about this video in the comment section. Once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm going to catch you guys in my next video. Bye.